It is now 10:05, and yeah, I'm going to prepare myself to get to work. In the previous days, it was really cloudy and there's no sun. That is why I needed to switch this on, the solar housing panel, so that I have a hot water. Because on the normal days like this, today is sunny. I don't need to switch on the solar panel because every day that I needed to take a shower, I needed to properly mix, to get the proper temperature, the right hotness. Because with just the hot, it is hot like the water that coming out in the faucet in Dubai. Yeah, in Dubai the water is really hot coming out from the faucet. Maybe that is one of the reason why a lot of people who come to Dubai, they easily get bald. Yeah, I know some Italian who are really young, but they are balding already. Yeah, so here, because if normal water, it is really cold. Just this one is really cold, so I really need to combine the hot and cold. Yeah, in Dubai they also have hot and cold, but even if you combine them, both of them are really hot. Even if you don't switch it on, it's still hot. That is how it is in Dubai during summer. We're going to work now. Yeah, but we're going to drop by at the Walmart again to buy something to drink. And we're going to eat this banana bread, and there's a cappuccino in here. The time now is 11:25, so I still have more than 30 minutes. This banana bread is almost like a sponge cake, but I'm tasting a lot of flour in here. Oh, they also put some small chunks of banana. Still, my favorite one is the one in the Little Beach. Yeah, they have a very nice, tasty banana bread in there. At the moment, there are people who are walking, and there are two beautiful, looks like a mother and daughter. Both of them are beautiful. Look at that, very cute. There is one kid. He's playing with his bike by himself. Good morning, guys. We are heading out to have some breakfast. I don't know where, but it is possibly just banana bread and a coffee. Last night it is very dark here, and how can I get in? Coming from work, there are some teenagers here, and they are having also their bike, but I don't recognize them because it is really dark, and the only lights that they have is this one. I greet them, but and they reply, but I didn't recognize their voice and their answer. I stopped a little bit, and but then I said sorry. Yeah, because I was a little scared that when I met you, girl, it was a breeze unknown. I said that you ain't a fine tooth girl. I was up inside. There was something going on. It is really cold. The best place to stay is under the heat of the sun, but it is sure going to give you sunburn. I was thinking of going there because I've seen a nice coffee shop on that side. Yeah, I just discovered because in the outside this looks like just like a shop, but I look inside and it's really nice, big. Yeah, but I don't know. We may be going back to the usual place. You know, I really miss the Filipino shop in there. Yeah, they closed because I don't know. Maybe it's, yeah, not only them. There are many establishments that close in here. Look at this. This one. This is a Japanese restaurant, Kokoryo. They also close. Yeah, we're going to buy the coffee and banana bread on the same place. I am waiting for my cappuccino. At the moment, the guy there is still not starting to prepare because he's alone. You know, this coffee is medium or large? Yeah, because the guy there said, yeah, I give you medium because you are my neighbor. Yeah, I look after you, that's what he said. Nice. I still have the coffee, but you know, I finished the banana bread and we're now going. We are going now. Yo, we are in the toilet. And you know, most of the toilet here in Australia always comes with this thing. Yeah, a sharp unit is available for use in this cubicle. Please dispose of your syringe safely by placing them inside the unit. Yeah, all the toilet here in Australia. Yeah, I got one of that. This one. Oh, why it is $8.50? Yeah, I think on the register it's $7.50. It's okay. And we are going to take one of this oil because you know, yesterday I noticed a fly inside the oil. I don't know where it came from. Yeah, it was like 1/4 more. We're going to try this yeah, creamy potato and bacon. This is just $1. These are the prices of the, you know, yeah, haircut kit. That's why I have, because it is affordable. Look at this. It's a complete package with everything. It's $28. It was previously $35. Different brand, different prices. Yo. Good afternoon, guys. We are out and about again. Yeah, it is now 4:30 something, and it's very quiet. We're not going to have a coffee this time because when I get home tonight, I will have a coffee while editing the video. Whoa, look at that sunset. Very bright. I don't know the exact word, but it looks beautiful. As you can see, the sun rays, yes, lighting the water. Oh, I'm going to disturb these birds. They will fly away. Oh no, they are not. Beautiful. Amazing. And we're back here. We're just going to have a look in the sunset. At the moment, there are 2, 4, 6, 8 pelican in there. Yeah, we are here in the Albura Marina, and we're going to that Asian cuisine restaurant. We're going to buy something like noodles. Yeah, Yeah, because this time I don't know. I am cravings for noodles, pancit. If you can hear the noise, they are loriket. Yeah, these trees has so many loriket up there. Yeah, we're going to that restaurant. Oh, there are many people. Yeah, those are loriket. Even in this tree. You know, if you can see this is 24 hours open bait bendo machine. Yeah. There are prawns, small squid, large squid, minnow tail, estuary tackleback, pilchards, everything they have in there. Yeah, nice. Because in the night there are people who go for fishing in the water.